Hello everybody, this is Mike and today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy carrot smoothie. Carrots are loaded with vitamin K and A, calcium, iron and folate, making them a healthy addition to any smoothie. So this is a smoothie you can use it for also for a diet. You can use it to replace a meal. You can use it in the morning. It's a very healthy smoothie. It gives you a lot of energy, has a lot of fibers and vitamins. So guys, what I have here is some fresh chopped ginger. Here I have a cup of carrots and a banana. That was a big banana, so I have it here. And here I have some almond milk. So some almond milk. Sorry for my accent. And here I have some cinnamon. Like this much cinnamon you need, just to give it a little bit of taste, of cinnamon taste. So guys, what we have to do is put them all in the blender. First the carrots, banana, put the ginger. Ginger is very good also. It's gonna give it the spicy taste. Now you put the milk, the almond milk, all inside, and the cinnamon. Already looks delicious. Okay, so put them in the blender. Okay, I'm going to turn on the blender, and I have more programs here, but I'm going to choose blend. And now you wait until it's finished. Doesn't take, it takes like like 30 seconds or a minute to make a smoothie. Okay, this is ready. So this smoothie has like around 100 calories. So doesn't have a lot of calories, so it's not gonna make you fat. It's gonna help you to lose weight if you want to. So this is it, guys. Oh. Really, really good. Okay, guys, and a little bit of spice from the ginger. So this is the spicy carrot smoothie. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like it, please subscribe for more. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.